Hey gang, Alfred Einstein here. I'm just watching a video that I had to reply to. She didn't make the video directly for me, but I have to say something about it. I'm surprised at her surprise. Her video was entitled HOAs are taking homes. They're taking condos away from people. Well, I got news for you, sweetheart. This is not something new. This is something that has been here for as long as I've been buying foreclosure properties, and that's probably 35 years. Condos have the right to take the unit. The condos have the right to foreclose if you don't make your payments. If you don't do something as little as, for example, Norma Jodeci in Broward County, look it up. She was losing her condo because her mailbox was painted the wrong color. Now, that's a little bit of an overreach, and I'm glad that it worked out the way that it did. Look her name up in Broward County, and you'll see what I did to help her. But in the meantime, the fact that the HOAs are taking hot properties, taking condos back from the owners is not a surprise in light of the fact that if you saw my video about condos and how unlivable that they're going to be if they aren't already, with the insurance problem, with the association problem, with the fact that people are stealing from the association. The legislature comes in and passes a law now that makes the condo associations officers responsible for the money, make them responsible for the upcoming inspections and the upcoming repairs that are going to be seen because of the upcoming inspections. So anyways, condo life is going to be tough. It's going to cost you a lot more money than you thought it was going to be. And do me a favor, send me a comment. I want to make sure I'm not off base on this because sometimes I'm a little aggressive, but I'm very interested to see what other people are thinking about this new condo law that's coming into effect in December of this year, turning into January 2025. Anyways, again, Alfred Einstein, pockets of specialized knowledge. Remember, you don't know what you don't know. Thanks for watching.